Right, welcome to lesson 8. It's another lesson today, Friday the 12th of July. Further building on lesson 7. In lesson 7 we were talking about the chromatic scale. We introduced the chromatic scale. I've wrote up here there are 7 natural note letters, and we've already covered these: A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Here we are, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. They were the natural note letters, all on the white keys of a piano. But in between we were speaking about the enharmonic black keys, and they were shared the same kind of name: A sharp or B flat, C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, and so forth. This chromatic, it's not a scale, because we're not using this tone, semitone structure of going through and seeing where we land. It's just the notes I want to talk about, the available notes that include the black ones. How many have we got when we go from A to just before another A? So A flat. Well, let's count them. Well, we can count the natural ones here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the red. But I'm going to count the blacks in too, and I'm only going to count them as one, the enharmonic black keys. So we go here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've actually numbered them here: 1 over the A, 2 for the black one, 3 for the B, 4 for the C, 5 for the black one, 6 for the D. The red ones are over the blacks, as you can see. Down here again, I wrote it here: A, enharmonic, A sharp, B flat, which is this, B, C, C sharp, D flat, the enharmonic, D, about this one, enharmonic, D sharp, E flat, E, F, and then the enharmonic one in between, F sharp, G flat, G, and then the last one, G sharp or A flat, the enharmonic. So just to summarise again here, there are 7 natural note letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There are 12 chromatic note letters: A sharp, B flat. That's just one, of course. Remember, it's just one when it's enharmonic. If we would count it, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 12 chromatic ones: A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, and G, G sharp or A flat. If you were to apply this pattern when we were previously talking about the major scale, if you apply the major pattern of tone, semitone, tone, semitone to an octave of 8 notes, you'll produce a major scale. This is also called a key scale, or the key of. You often hear the key of. Let's look back over here then. A, B, C, D, F and G. Okay, we're going to do the key of, or major scale, or key of A. So to get from an A to an A, using the tone, semitone structure, you're going to end up with F sharp, C sharp and a G sharp. We'll just confirm it quickly: tone, semitone, tone, semitone, semitone. Okay, A to A. The key of A, the major scale or major key of A, the key of B, the key of C. Notice there's no sharps and flats. That's generally when music's made, or people mess about with the key scale, they generally use this one. It's easier, it's the easiest one to write songs to, because it can always be transposed or changed to another key. D, E, F and G. They're the major scales because they've had this pattern applied to them from within the octave. A to A, B to B inclusive, C to C inclusive, A to A, B to B and so forth. Okay, the chromatic scale, let's see that applied to the guitar, shall we? Just along each string. Okay, we'll talk about the first string, the thinnest. Okay, when it's open, it's an E. Now on a guitar, I don't know if you can see these, there's little markers that represent the fret positions of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 12. On the 12th one there's a double dot to represent that's halfway between the nut and the bridge of the guitar. It's exactly halfway here, across here. So I'm going to count up and it's 12 positions. Let's pluck there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's like the chromatic scale. Okay? We'll do the chromatic scale of F. So when I press this down, at the minute open it's E. When I press it down there it becomes F. If I move up one, it becomes F sharp. And if I move up another one, it becomes G. Then another one becomes G sharp. Then becomes A sharp, B. Now there's no B sharp, so the next one just becomes a C. C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and there's no E sharps. Next one here we're back round to the octave of F. So we've just done from here, when I pressed it down, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A sharp, B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F. That's what that was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and then back to another F. Now that applies on all the strings, of course. It's a full octave on each string. So this one in the open position is a B. Just do that again. I'm going to press it down here. So when it's open, it's a B. If I go down 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And press it down on the 12th. That's a full octave of the chromatic scale.